from Navi Mumbai to South Mumbai is now cut down from 2 hours to just 30 minutes. This all new water taxi service in Mumbai is really cool. मुंबई है ना, दो चीज़ों के लिए बहुत फेमस है. एक तो इसके गॉर्जियस सी व्यूज़ और दूसरा है इजी कनेक्टिविटी. एंड नाउ यू कैन एंजॉय बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज मुंबई पोर्ट ट्रस्ट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड इट्स फर्स्ट एवर वाटर टैक्सी सर्विसेज राइट हियर इन मुंबई. If you are a frequent traveler between Navi Mumbai and South Mumbai, तो आपको तो पता ही होगा that it takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to travel between South Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. But with this water taxi service, your travel time is cut down to just 30 minutes. Earlier जब मैं travel करती थी on this route, I had only two options. I either had to take a car or a bus, that was the roadways, or I had to take the railways, that was the train. And dono hi were not really comfortable, but this really doesn't feel like a public transport at all. I mean, it's so comfortable, it's so quick, and it's so cozy. Honestly, ऐसा लग रहा है that I've come on a mini getaway away from the hustle and the bustle of the city.
This catamaran holds a capacity of 50 passengers and has modern amenities like complimentary Wi-Fi, food and beverages, AC, washroom, storeroom and an open-air deck, and of course, the gorgeous sea view.
So the operator tells me that this is a 20 to 30 minute journey from DCT in South Mumbai to JNPT in Navi Mumbai. And if we talk about the cost, a one-way trip will cost you somewhere around 700 rupees and a round trip will cost you around 1200 rupees. But if you're a daily traveler, then you can opt for the monthly pass for 11,000 rupees. But in it, you can avail as many trips as you want.
Honestly, this service is slightly expensive, but the experience is totally worth it. According to the operators, the two operational routes are from DCT to JNPT and JNPT to Belapur. Other routes have also been allotted by the government, such as DCT to Belapur, Nerul, Airoli, Vashi, and many more to come. These boats will be operational from 8 am to 10 pm and will make 12 round trips in a day. This is an all year round service and will operate even during rains. The water taxi service is likely to be inaugurated in the last week of January 2022 by Prime Minister Modi.
The main concept was to not only save time, save energy of the people who are traveling, save money, save pollution, save fuel for the nation. Also, you can say save accidents and save all the mishaps that happen on the other modes of transport. And this will also reduce a lot of traffic on the burden on the railways as well as the buses.
तो ये था मेरा experience on this one-of-a-kind water taxi service in Mumbai. This is me, Sara Gadvi, signing off. You go and subscribe to Curly Tales for more food and travel recommendations. Bye!